Hello everyone, welcome back once again in my YouTube channel. So I hope you have seen my previous video. In that video, I've already explained what is synchronization, what is the purpose of synchronization, what is classification of synchronization, what is the key use of synchronization. So all the things I've explained in previous video. So I hope you have seen all these things, right? So guys, till point number first to point number 13, I have completed and already I upload all the video on the YouTube. The guys who is coming first time, so I would suggest so you will go and watch all the video first, then you can jump in video number 14. So today I'm going to explain what is synchronized method. So how we are going to achieve synchronization with the help of synchronized method. Guys, you can see this video I'm going to explain how we're going to achieve synchronization with the help of synchronized method, and get next video I will explain how we're going to achieve synchronization with the help of synchronized block, and guys next video I will explain how we're going to achieve synchronization with the help of static synchronization. Guys, see these three video most important. That means in this video I will explain how we are going to achieve synchronization with respective approach. So guys, don't miss these three videos. It's most important for your understanding. If you understand how we are going to achieve synchronization in Java, generally in multi-threading, then your concept will more clear and you will feel confident while you are giving the interview in the interview room. Whatever the question asked by the interviewer, so you will feel very confident. Yes, I know the synchronization concept. Any question they may ask, you will give the answer very confidently. That's my main motto, guys. So you people also feel confident after watching this video. So guys, see, without any further delay, we'll start our discussion, guys. So guys, already I've told you. So this video I will explain how we are going to achieve synchronization through synchronized method. Okay, and I have explained one code base in previous video, guys. So how we're going to use book my show just like application, make my tea like application. So how we're going to book your seat, how you're going to book your seat parallelly, because see guys, whenever if you're going to book the seat with the help of book my show, or if you're going to book your flight ticket, so guys at same time multiple people wants to book the ticket, guys. Yes or no? Multiple people wants to book the ticket. So guys, how this thing happening with the help of synchronized method, I will already have shown you guys. If we are not going to use synchronized method concept in previous video, so we have some problem was there, yes or no? Some issue was there in that code. Same thing I today also will explain one more time what was the problem we may face if we are not going to use synchronized method, synchronized block, or static synchronization in your application. So how we are going to resolve that issue. So that complete thing I will explain in this video, guys. So guys, please watch carefully each and every point, most important, guys. So guys, see last video I explained this code, guys. So how we're going to book the seat. So guys, today I will explain this guy. This is our big boss, big concept in synchronization. I mentioned, guys. So synchronize is one keyword. With the help of this keyword, guys, if you're going to keep this keyword as method level, guys, you can see book seat is a method. So no, book is a method. If you are going to use synchronized keyword as a method level, guy, that's why we can say we are going to achieve synchronization with the help of synchronized method. If you are going to keep this synchronized keyword as a method level, then we may solve our problem what we were getting in last video, guys. Okay, no problem, guys. This time also in this video also I will explain same problem, then I will apply this synchronized keyword, then we will see this problem has resolved or not. So guys, don't worry. So guys, so now let's move our ID, guys. Yes, come here, guys. So guys, see, let me open first our application where we have done last video, right? Guys, see this video. Yes, this is my this video, guys. Yes, so this program, guys, we have discussed last time, right, in last video. So guys, see, first I will explain this one more time, guys, and I will show the problem, then I will jump on the solution, guys. Guys, see, in this video we have created thread, two thread we have created. One thread is Sumit, one thread is Rohit. Okay, yes. So you see both the thread, both the people So guy, just assume Sumit is one thread, Rohit is one thread. Means both the people guy wants the book the seat. Yes or no? Both people wants book the seat guy at same moment. At same moment, both people wants the book the seat guy. So guys, tell me how these people are going to book the seat. So guys, see, we have got this thread guy. So guy, movie booking application one class. We have created what object of this class guy, see Sumit. Then guy, I am going to define how many seat what he wants to book. Guys, see, I mentioned here Sumit dot seat 7 guy. Suppose he wants book the seat 7, right? And guy, then once we have created this object guy, and after creating this object, we have assigned 7 seats he wants to book. Then guy, we call Sumit dot start method guy. You know very well guy. Whenever if you're going to call start method, only your run method will active guy. Means internally start method call the run method guy. So inside run method guy, I have what called one method guy. That method what is book seat method guy. So this book seat method guy expects some seat. How many seat the Sumit wants to book? Guys, see, I mentioned 7 seats. So guys, see, once we're going to call start method, then our control will come into this run method guy. Then guy, so this run method will see, okay, one method is going to call here book seat method. They expect 7 seats. Then guy, so corresponding book seat implementation we have written in this class guy, book theater seat. Correct? Yes. So guy, you can see once the control will come book seat method guy. So it expect how many seats guy? 7 seats. You can see I mentioned 7 seats by Sumit thread. So guys, see, it come here. So guys, see, now we'll check. So seats is guy 7 and guy mentioned total seats are 10. So guy, once you enter in this our method guy, book seat method. So we have written one condition, if condition. So total seats greater than equal to seats. You can see guy, we have total seats are 10 guy, and we have requested guy 7 seats. So guys, see, 10 is greater than equal to 7 or not? Yes. Guy, 10 is greater than equal to 7. Guys, see, when this condition satisfy, then control will come inside the if condition guy. Then directly guy, we are printing 7 seats booked successfully. Yes or no guy? Then guy, total seats, how many guy? 7 seats booked. So 10 minus 7, how many seats remaining guy? 3 seats. So guy, I am printing seats left 3. Guys, suppose in next guy, in same moment Rohit also come into picture, because we didn't restricted this book seat method guy. Yes or no? So guys, same moment this Rohit thread also book the seat. Same thing guy, it will come here, it will give 3 seats I want to book. Then guy, it will come here and guy 3 seats. So guy, that time our book seat method confused. Yes or no? So how are we going to execute it? So guy, give me 1 second. This time I will give here suppose 5 seat. You get 5 seat. Why 5 seat here? Because I want to book 7 seat or 5 seat, 12 seat guy. Yes or no? But 12 seat we have only 10. So guy, that's why guy, in same moment if both the thread will execute our book seat method, then guy, result may inconsistent. Yes or no? Which thread will book the seat, which thread will not book the seat will confused this book seat method. Yes or no? Yes. Then guys, see, first let me run the application. We'll see what is the issue guy in this application, in this code guy. Guy, let me zoom here. So guys, see, 7 seats booked successfully, because first this suppose Sumit thread came into picture to book the seat. So guys, 7 seats they booked. Why? You can see guys, they requested 7 seats, and guys, they have applied condition 10 greater than equal to 7. Yes, they book the seat guy, and after booking seat they find out how many total seat remaining now. So guys, total seat was 10, they booked 7, then guys, total is remaining guy 3 seats. Guys, you can see here seat left 3. Correct guy? But guy, same moment Rohit also wants the book seat guy. But guy, tell me now only 3 seats remaining guy, because after booking Sumit 7 seats, only 3 seats remaining guy. Yes or no? But guy, you can see once Rohit will come into picture 10. So guy, now it's 3 guy. Yes or no? Because only 3 seats remaining guy. So 3 is greater than equal to 5 guy? No. 3 is not greater than equal to 5. So guy, directly they should come inside else block, but not coming guy. You can see the expected behavior guy, this thread should come under the else block, but not coming guy. It's coming seats left 3, seats left -2, because they want to book 5 seats but 2 seats are less. Okay, it's showing -2. So guys, that is the problem guy. So if you run multiple time guy, see sometimes what the result is not consistent guy. You can see result is not consistent. Why guy? Because both threads are attempting to execute or attempting to book the seat parallelly. Both the people guys, suppose Sumit and Rohit wants to book the seat same time guy. That's why this issue is coming. Correct? Yes. But guys, this is not expected behavior. This is not a expected behavior guy. Correct? So guys, what we need to follow? What approach we need to follow? So guys, this video I am going to follow with the help of synchronized method. So if we can make our method will synchronize. Suppose if you make our method becomes synchronized, then guys this issue may resolve. Guys, you can see I'm guys attempting here. I'm using guys synchronized guys. You can see synchronized. Guys, see synchronized keyword guys. See after applying guys synchronized, you know what happened guys? What will happen after applying synchronized keyword? So once we'll run this application guys. Once we'll run the application guys, so we have two threads, Sumit and Rohit. So guys, see once they will attempt to book the seat, once it will call the book seat method, then guys what the thread will come first? They will restricted other thread guys, because first thread will come into this book seat method and they'll perform the operation. But other thread guy, in same moment both thread will not enter into the book seat method guy. Why? Because we have restricted with the help of synchronized keyword. Guys, see this keyword which talks about so until unless first thread will not complete his task, second thread will not enter into this book seat method. That thing guy you need to understand. So what is synchronized means guy? So it will restricted to other thread, then it will lock this method until unless what this first thread will complete his task. Once it complete his task, then second thread will enter into the book seat method. Then guy it perform as expected result guy. You can see guy, if you're not believing on me guys, see now I will run the application, we'll see the result guy. Guys, see guys, see after applying guy synchronized keyword guy, what happening? So first suppose Sumit thread what attempt to book the seat. Guys, see once the start method called, then guy the control will come into run method. Then guy we are calling b dot book seat method guy with the request 7 seat. Then guy this book seat method called, right? Guys, see then how we're going to call guys, see total seats we have 10, requested guy 7, it is checking guy. So 10 is greater than equal to 7, yes. Then guy it control come into the f block guy, and as per our implemented logic it can print guy seats 7 guy, because Sumit requested guy 7 seats. So guys, see 7 seats booked successfully. Correct guy? Yes. Then guy how many seats left guy? Obviously guy seats left 3, because 7 seats has booked by Sumit guy. Then guy next, then guy lock will release. Then guy next thread will come into picture, Rohit. Then guy Rohit wants to book seat guy 5. Rohit 5 seats wants to book, but guy we have only 3 seats. Yes or no guy? Because see seats left guy 3 only. So guys, see once it'll come into this block guy, total seats how many guy? 3. They want to book 5 seats, so 3 is not getting equal to 5. Directly guy the control will come into else block. Sorry, 5 seats you cannot book. Okay, you can see sorry 5 seats you cannot book. Why guy? Because seats left only 3. If you have only 3 seats, how you can book 5 seats guy? Tell me yes or no. It makes sense, yes or no? If you have only 3 seats, how you can book 5 seats? Not possible guy. That's why guy this Rohit what cannot book the seat guy as per our implementation of synchronized keyword. If you're keeping a synchronized keyword as a method level guy, that's why we can say this is method level synchronized method. Because guy we have 3 approach. First approach, you can achieve synchronization with the help of synchronized method. Then guy synchronized block, and guys, a static synchronization, that's class level. These three approach we may use to get the synchronization concept in Java, guys. So guys, please be concentrated. These three approach we have by which we can get the synchronization generally. So guys, that's it from this video, guys. One more time, if I will guys see, suppose guys, if we have total seats 10 guys, correct? And guys, suppose Rohit also wants to only book 3 seats, guys. Guys, see, this time there is no any issue, guys, because both people will get the seat. Okay, yes or no? Because 7 seats booked by Sumit and 3 seats booked by Rohit, guys. Anyone can first, guys, and they can book the seat as expected, because total seats already 10 and they also want to book 10 only. 7 by Sumit, 3 by Rohit. Guys, will run the application, will see result, guys. Guys, see, 7 seats booked successfully, 3 seats booked successfully, seats left 0, because we have only 10 seats required, guys. Guys, see, one more time I will run the application, guys. Guys, see, result coming expected or not, guys. See, result coming as expected or not, guys. You can see result came expected or not, guys. Yes, guys, see, result coming as expected only. The result coming as expected. So every time they want to book as expected, correct, guys? So guys, any thread come into first, not Sumit, guys. Sometimes they may come first. Rohit also came first and they want to book the seat. So it depends upon, guys, internally thread scheduler. So thread scheduler to locate which thread come first. There is an algorithm, guys. Okay, so don't Robin first come first serve. So don't worry, as per our understanding for developer. So it will happening as internally, guys, as our algorithm, guys. So you can see our response is coming as expected as per our implementation, if you are going to use what, synchronized keyword. So guys, in next video, guys, I will explain how we are going to achieve synchronization with the help of synchronized block. Why synchronized block came into picture if only we have synchronized method. They also have one important interview question: why we are going to use synchronized block only if we have synchronized method. Correct, guys? That thing I will explain in coming video, guys. If you have any question, any concern, guys, please do me comment in comment section. I will address your comment. If you liking video, guys, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you, guys. Bye bye. Take care. We'll meet very soon in next video, guys.